Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome, all in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing, got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then advantage. Yeah, I can't stand it. Out of all the way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Stood strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
Good morning all. Hope everyone is well. Hope everyone is doing good. Hope you guys did not do anything stupid yesterday. Always need to check up. Let's go. Yeah, we look good. Everything looks working. Make sure chat and all that's working. So look here. We look good. Morning. So let's get it. Let's get it here. Let's get it. Let's have a look at news for today. So today is going to be a Thursday. A little bit of Bailey speaking here at 1:30. So finally we have Bailey speaking, and this speech was supposed to be done last week, guys, right? We were supposed to have this speech last week. We didn't get the speech last week when they did the rate decision. We're getting it today. So hopefully this is going to be the catalyst for us to move here on GJ finally. We've seen very mundane movement on GJ, really stuck in the same range literally since Monday here, really not doing any type of progression, failing any type of progression, creating the biggest, choppiest market. If we look at GU, at least we're getting some form of progression here in terms of downside movement we're getting. So there's progression in GU, you know, so it's not the GBP. This is at fault of the yen here. So speeches today should give us some more clarity and hopefully start moving the charts here. In terms of analysis as GJ, nothing's changed. Same analysis as yesterday. We do have a mixed bias today though, with previous daily here closing bullish, no top wick on current daily candle here, and previous 4-hour closing bearish here, right? We are still respecting all supports here. We're still respecting this range here, and you know, we're still respecting this whole support zone type of thing. If you were to draw it something like this, you can see, boom, we're respecting this whole zone here. Keep wicking into it, keep rejecting. We have a little 4-hour support here. So let's bring back drawings and see what we got going on. Obviously it's not the nicest ranges here, and we can see that it's not the best price action in terms of this. Let's put this here for S, and I just need us to get I need us to get out of this range to see any type of continuation here. In terms of buys here, looking at 1-hour time frame, yeah, it's possible to buy to the top of the range, but it's just so choppy in the range. You need big stop loss here. With all of this chop here, you probably need to run stop loss if you're going to try that idea. To be safe, you probably need it somewhere here, maybe 39-40 pips. We measured to the top of the range, not really worth it. The reason you need such big stop loss is that I wouldn't be surprised to see it grab liquidity, what it's been doing, manipulating all week. Yesterday did the same, grab liquidity to only give a move back to the top of the range and fail. So look at this huge liquidity grab. Yes, this was also impacted by news, but that's what caused the liquidity grab. Now what you don't want to get caught in is you don't want to get caught in sideways action here, which then takes your stop loss out. I kind of like this choppiness we had here. So stop loss below the range, which below the range is going to be, I would say below this wick here would be fine, but you know, with a difference of, I think, what's this, like 3-4 pips, yeah, like 4 pips here, you might as well put it below this structure here, so it's actually below something. Now if we measure that and you were to see, okay, let's say we put it here and you take a buy somewhere there, that's 39 pips stop loss. So is it worth it? Probably not. What's going to be worth it? Leaving the range, right? We just need to get out of this stupid range and we can have some better price action, as this is just, you know, dog water price action and just doing nothing, man. It's doing nothing. No progression, no pullbacks for continuation, just absolutely nothing. Fake outs everywhere, fake out to upside, fake out to downside, even sell fake outs, you know, even if you're counter trend, look, fake out here, right? This closes below here, fake out, like tons of fake outs everywhere. No continuation between the ranges as well, right? We see price try to continue, no, get stuck in a range. We see price try to continue, no, get stuck in a range. Price tries to continue, no, get stuck in a range. Tries to continue, stuck in a range. So this is how you identify crap price action here, right? You know, so this is something I need more information on before I can execute anything on this, and that's what I'm gonna wait for, is more information here on GJ. In terms of gold here, let's look at gold. Obviously yesterday had a big pullback, nice little pullback here, respected that 22.95 here. Was trying to find a way in with something closing below here, 1 minute structure or something like that, but we just cooled down and then just started ranging for the rest of the day here. We retested this previous daily support. Going ahead and looking at the daily time frame now, we do have a daily candle now at the bottom of the range here. So do we want to respect the bottom of the range? We do have a bit of USD news, unemployment claims. They're expecting numbers to come back slightly less than expected here, which is not going to impact price too much here. The whole reason we're seeing this downside move is we're seeing this is kind of like the rate hikes we're seeing that basically the whole reason that gold went up, for multiple reasons, banks buying gold and stuff, but one of the main drivers was interest rates being reduced. Now that we see US starting to delay interest rates being reduced, right? We're seeing this weakness come, into the markets here, right? We're seeing this weakness where we're seeing basically people try to like buy the rumor and sell the news, essentially, right? It's buy the rumor, sell the news type deal is going on, where we just see them saying, okay, that's it. I'm buying the rumor, selling the news. And we didn't even get, we were looking, I was looking, if you guys in the exclusives remember, and you should remember, if you don't remember, then you're not watching the webinars properly. We did a webinar saying that we want to see price come back up, maybe to the 48s, 47s, at least retest to grab liquidity, then to continue down bearish, right? Then to continue down bearish. It even fit, like that was only the bounce it was able to do. It was only able to do this tiny bounce here, and then weakness came into the market. I don't really understand this rumor news saying. What don't you understand about it? So, you know, now that we've come to the bottom of the range, the question is, do we want to see more weakness and try to break this range, or are we going to try form a little bit of a bounce here before grab more liquidity to then break the range here? So we can look at this range being broken. It's a potential here. With unemployment claims, if we see unemployment shoot up, we will get a bounce, and now that can just become a bounce, right? That can just become a bounce that ends up failing again and yet again coming back to the bottom of the range here, right? What's the rumor? What's the news? The rumor is that interest rates were going to be reduced 4 times this year. The news is that they're struggling to even reduce it freaking 1 time, right? So that's all of this hype in the market is coming out, right? We see the same things happen on stocks, right? On US 30 here, boom, we see these dumps coming into the market, weakness into the market. Remember, stocks were also fueled by what? Fueled by AI. Sorry, this is daily. I should be showing 4-hour. Right, we see that dump into yesterday, same time as gold dump, right? That dump yesterday, that dump here was because of what? Because of basically the same reason as gold. Now this is all, it's not only one thing here, it's multiple catalysts here that are causing this, but that's why we're pausing at these highs. Act on hype, yeah, that's how markets work, right? They never they react on the news, but they act on hype, right? Most of the big movements in the market that are progressive are on hype, right? They're not until the real news comes out. Question of interest rates being reduced. So now looking at the charts, if we bring back drawings here, we have this weekly support that we rejected around yesterday. This previous daily support, I wonder how it's looking. Yeah, let's make sure that we mark this as previous, so just we know what we're looking at. So that's the previous daily support. Current daily support is around that weekly support as well. Previous daily close bearish, obviously. Previous 4-hour closing bullish here. We have a mixed bias here, and we're stuck inside of the range at the moment. So we need to get outside of this range to be looking either for buys or sells. Trading in this range is going to be very, very messy. As look at the choppiness, there's no clean candles, there's no trading zones. Our trading zones, even outside of the range, leaving the weekly support, we sell directly into the daily support here, which is somewhere around here. So let's go ahead and mark that daily support. So I'd say sells are going to be, actually no, we do have a bit of room here till the next daily support, so that's not bad. Let's have a look where that is. Ideally, unemployment claims give you a push up, and then rest of the week you can look for sells. 4-hour support lingering just around here. This whole box, we can make this a box. So if sells are going to play out, they're going to come below here, which is also your 1-hour support here, which is also the 30-minute support. So yeah, that's only, and you don't even have much of a range. It's a 1-hour support like 16-15 pips away. So it's a little bit tough. You want to see maybe dip down into here, pull back, and then try to sell back to that. Now for buys to play out the bounce, I do want it to get above the previous daily support here. I think that would be nice. Since we rejected the previous daily support, I don't think it'll care too much about that structural point since we already rejected it. But looking for buys above there would be good. I would like to see above it, but now we're just stuck in this range. And until we until we create clean candles inside of this range, it's going to be extremely tough to trade, because you're going to be buying into multiple resistances, multiple supports. Yeah, it's tough at the moment. It's tough. So that's the analysis here. We just need to wait a little bit here for some more price action, and then we can see what's going to go on here. So yeah, that's the analysis. Can you please look at gold, please? 30-minute close breaking support, hourly nearly flipped bullish. You're in the range, man. You're in the range. Even if we look at hourly here, hourly is still stuck in the range. Before, minimum you can look for buys on gold would be above the hour resistance here. If you took that, like you said, look, you would have been stopped out now, right? Stop loss would have been hit below the 1 hour candle. So this is why don't trade in the range, because you would have been stop loss hit here. So be careful, guys. This is taking everyone's money end of month. A lot of people are going to give back shit ton of money end of month here, and that's exactly what you don't want to do here, right? All the hard work we've been doing this month, don't want to give that back for no reason, right? This is dangerous markets. GJ pure manipulation yesterday. And why? Yeah, the minute we got that news out, I told everyone leave GJ. Then it tried to break out. This candle luckily opened minimal bottom wick, so kept you safe. If this candle opened bottom wick and flipped, then yeah, that would have even caught me out there. But look how this candle opened here. Candle opened here, nipple wick, no continuation, no pullbacks, boom, pulled back and then never reflipped. Just kept dumping, never reflipped. You reckon we should let it easy end of month? Yeah, there's not looking like good price action overall in the markets here. That's nothing we can control. But what we can control is what we trade. We tried to play this range in the beginning of the week, and we learned that it was not good, and look what it's done. That's how you know if you're wrong or right, saying that this is a shit range, because we can see it's done nothing till now. Does the market always do this end of the month? Not always, not always. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes we can get amazing selling volume of people taking profits, whether that's from the downside to the upside. And then that could give us days of good movement. You know, yesterday New York had great volume. In terms of volume, New York on gold, there was plenty of volume. 200 pip move towards the downside. Volume was not a problem yesterday. In terms of just trying to find an entry, it was a little bit tough. But in terms of London session recently, it's just been a little bit sideways here. Right? It's been a little bit sideways. So, especially end of quarter, it looks like everyone's rebalancing portfolios here with interest rate decision, elections, and all of this stuff. GU is looking like, if we have a look at GU, wonder if there's any opportunities on that. Have it as backup here. Previous daily closing bearish here, breaking the lows already. 4 hour time frame giving us a pullback, respecting 4 hour range here, right? So this is previous 4 hour support. If we respect that, still, it's still, you know, we can have mixed session here. Not a bad range there. I'd say your buys are gonna come above here. Reject that, get back above. Not a bad range for GU. Those 5 minute wicks I don't like. They are just wicks on 5 minutes. Okay, good. 1 hour would be getting back inside of the range here. Now if we're gonna sell on GU, yeah, sells would make sense below this range down here. Start to break below this range. This is where sells are gonna make sense. Something below that. If we were full bearish bias, I would take the fake out. Amazing, identical to my plan. I have more entries though. What's your more entries? Probably above here where we are right now, right? Probably where we are right now, you're looking for buys. Looking for sell below there. The problem is bullish structure, right? I agree with that, but we're not fully bearish bias. That's what I was saying. If we were fully bearish bias, we could look for sells on the fake out back inside the range, but we're not, right? We're not. So that you're selling directly into an uptrend here, right? You have this, so you need a change of structure in order to get that, right? Because if you just sell on something closing back inside the range, you're selling on this whole upwards trend we've had. So this could just, you could get involved in sells. Yeah, you want to be aggressive with it, you get involved in sells just for this to happen, and we just make another higher low, and then your buy plan will play out, but you got involved with sells, lost the sells, take buys. If the buys play out, boom, you're messed up in one day, right? Even looking at 1 hour, right, we would need to close back inside the 1 hour range then at that point, because if you're going to base it on 1 hour, base it on 1 hour ranges. 1 hour technically now is broken structure towards the upside. We've grabbed liquidity, broken structure. So if you want to take the 1 hour sell, you need to close back in the 1 hour range. Yeah, but it's not an S4 because you're on mixed bias and 4 hours closing bullish, and you're selling directly into all of these supports here. You need something to prove to you it's ready to go down. You're not closing back in a range, you're just closing bearish like this. So why not take this one, why not take this one, why not take this one, why not take that one? Even if it retested, we just need at least maybe this close bearish, next one close bullish, then close below. Fine, that's telling us it's ready. Because you don't have any room for error on that. The minute you try to sell into that, that's it, you lost. Because if you sell and it goes up, you've lost. There's no way you manage, there's nothing to protect your trade. If this closes bearish and the next one does a setup 3 and breaks towards the upside, you're done. You know? Just because it retests previous 4 hour doesn't mean that it might melt here. Yes, it's possible, but we want to see more information to be safer, right? Now, as an aggressive shot, yeah, for sure. But you rely on the 4 hour being the dead point, I would say, is what you call it. That it can't go past that. Right? Yeah. I mean, yeah, of course it's bearish, but the point is that look at, how about here? This looked very bearish, right? Look at the pullback we've had first. You know? So we don't know where this pullback can end. Maybe it stops here. Maybe it stops where we are right now. So let price show you that. You know? So let this 1 hour, like both ways. If this 1 hour closes bullish here on 3 minutes, there's no sells anyways. Based on 1 hour even, right? You need to be waiting for more info. If daily and 4 hour bearish but both close with huge rejection, are we still fully bearish? Then I can consider that maybe partially mixed. I can consider that partially mixed. But yeah, we're still more bearish. Depends where it's rejecting. If it's rejecting a major daily support, major 4 hour support, yeah, I'll just consider it mixed. So this is what you, like, let's say now this flips and close back in the range in the next 2 minutes. You want to see the next candle come up, prove to you that this is resistance, and then we can sell back into that to try break this trend. Because remember, you're fighting lower time frame momentum. It's very hard to fight lower time frame momentum. So that's what I would like to see, some sort of change of structure here on 5. Because this could be just this. But if we get this, it's something that all of these could do. Even this faked out here, it broke structure. But now the difference is we're testing that previous 4 hour. So what if GJ break 1 hour resistance? Which 1 hour resistance? Give me a number. There's a lot of 1 hour resistances here. We have one here, we have one here. Any sights on UJ levels? UJ levels, yeah, scary levels, of course, scary levels. The Bank of Japan keep on telling us that they don't like these levels here. They keep on telling us they don't like these levels. There's a lot of speeches coming out from them. I'm trying to find, yeah, look. Some may see that one-sided movement. They're just not happy with it, right? Marktion is not functioning properly. There's no mistake. The current Forex is moving in one direction. You know, they don't like it. They don't like it. So that's what's happening. That's what's happening. 704. 1 hour, which 704? You mean this close above here? Yeah, but like I said, you need to run stop loss below the range here. 39 pips. But I'm not interested in this range. This has been a choppy range all week. It's messed me up all week. We've got nothing all week from it. So why is this time going to be different? And if it is, that is... it's going to be a bit of luck there, right? Because look at the shit. Why not take this trade yesterday then? Why not take this trade? I mean, they're all failing. Look, this boom stopped out big time. So take it, but like I said, give yourself room. Run 39 pip stop loss. But then really ask yourself, is it that worth it, 39 pip stop loss? Because you have to, because you don't know if it's going to go and grab liquidity here below the lows. Even here, minimum stop loss is going to be 26 pips. You get maybe almost a 1-to-1 here for 26 pip stop loss. But you have to give yourself room in case price wants to do what? In case price wants to manipulate like it's been doing all week. Twice here. Look, manipulated here, and of course, when we were trading, also did it here. Right? So look, if I kept stop loss below the range, you kept stop loss yesterday below the range, then you were safe. Right? So today below the range is here. So you need to put stop loss here if you're trying to get back to the top of the range. Because if you put stop loss below previous candle, you're almost stopped out already. Why Japan don't raise interest rate to stop weakening? Because they have a de-inflationary problem. So they don't have enough inflation. Aren't we most likely to range? Exactly, right? But we don't know. Maybe some random volume comes in because of people expecting what they're going to say in the speeches. But in order, you don't know which direction it's going to come. It's how it is. So they have a de-inflation problem, which means they don't have enough inflation in their country. So if they raise interest rates, that's going to become a bigger problem. Now, what's the problem with not enough inflation? Can anyone write that down quickly? What's the problem with not enough inflation? Let's see. Also, if you guys enjoyed the stream, be sure to leave a like. I forgot to ask for the YouTube business. 409 of us in here. Appreciate everyone showing up. 70 likes. We can do better. Get up to 200 likes. I'll put the scam like train up as well. Right, let's see some of the answers here. Economy is not growing. High interest rates, no. Companies not ready to produce products, not exactly. Not enough spending, yes. Yeah, simply made, that's the answer, right? Yeah, Claudio also said not enough spending. Yeah, people are not spending money, okay? And I'm going to explain why are they not spending money? Because if things are getting cheaper in the future because inflation is going down, why should they buy something now? Right? In an inflationary circumstance or an inflationary economy, things get more expensive as time goes on because of inflation. Right? So how is Japan trying to combat? Japan as well has an aging economy. Aging population. So they don't have their population is not mostly working class. On top of that, the big companies do not want to increase wages. So if that happens, what happens? then they're not having enough spending because what? Because they're not getting the wage increases, right? So until wage increases come, that's why wage data was very important. Harry, check gold. We did the full analysis of gold. Did you listen to that, Bentley? I just joined. Well, how does that affect? You need to show up for the analysis, right? Was eating lunch? Yeah, but then send your analysis and plan, right? What you think of gold as well, right? Or you can rewind the stream to the beginning. We explained. What do you think is happening on gold? So everything is cheap in Japan right now? No, not everything is cheap, but if inflation doesn't go up, everything gets cheaper, so no one wants to spend money. Spend money in stuff like properties and stuff like this, right? Real estate. Sell USD JPY, I don't know, but I think it has to drop a bit. That's a very dangerous mindset to have in trading, that you think that it has to drop. Price has to show you it wants to drop. Don't try call tops, don't try call bottoms. They're career-ending moves. Inflation expectations drive your spending behavior. Exactly, right? Because if things are going to get more expensive in the future, you want to buy it sooner rather than later, right? And also, you don't want to put your money when inflation is high, right? You don't want to have your money lose value long term, so you want to put your money in assets, which is what was happening in Western economies, right? So that's why Japan had a negative interest rate, right? That's why Japan had a negative interest rate, because they're trying to encourage spending. Now not negative anymore, but still very, very low. You can't even, yeah, it's not negative anymore, but that's why I said they used to. But you can't compare them to Western economies that have 5.25% to 5.5% interest rates, whereas, you know, they have nothing. 0 to 0.1. That's nothing compared. Oh my god, gold screwing both buyers and sellers. 1 minute time frame just moved 30 to 50 pips up and down 3 times. Yeah, this is my point. Be careful. Yo, Harry, haven't been on your stream for a while. Moved to trading Nasdaq futures, but it's good to see you again. Hope you're doing well. Hey man, hope you're well as well, if that makes sense. And yeah, good to see you. Good to see you. So just to make sure, negative interest rates mean that they put $10 in the bag to get back 7? No, negative interest rate means that you get paid to borrow money. There's no interest. When there's positive interest rate, it's costly to, right? It's costly to borrow money. What happens to deposits? Then that depends on inflation, right? Not interest rates. Interest rates is for borrowing money. Interest rates is only applicable to borrowing money. But if you look at a general population, a lot of population borrow money through house mortgages, through debt, through all of these things. Businesses borrow money. So a lot of remember, the bank's job is to sell you money. That's their job, right? But it's so bad that's what they do. So whatever inflation rate is, right? Whatever the inflation is how much money you will lose. So I think Japan's inflation at the moment is 2%. Well, it just got to 2%, which is what they want. So you lose 2% of its worth per year. Whereas Western economies are 5%, right? Actually, in the pandemic, it got all the way up to 9%. Right? You were losing 9% of your net worth. Hey, shout out from the Lorenzo team, or Team Lorenzo. Thank you. Shout out to you guys. Romania, it's 5%, officially 15% in practice. Damn, that's ridiculous. Then it makes sense for you guys to put money in assets, right? That's why property went on a crazy run, is because people wanted. That's why everything went crazy. Luxury watches went crazy, cars went crazy. Everything was going crazy in the pandemic because people wanted to get money out of cash. Right? They wanted to get their money out of cash. How are you teaching an economic syllabus? It's important to know. You need to understand how money works. Have my best day trading, ending it now, going to bed. Nice. Thanks for everything you taught me. Bought my funded account from down to 3% to up 2%. Nice. Well done, man. Yo, I'm scared. Yeah, the way that money runs in this world, you have no control at the end of the day, right? I like his style, well disciplined, also using same method of LTA when taking trade. No, LTA stands for his Lorenzo Trading. I don't know what it stands for. Lorenzo Trading Academy, something like that. Yeah, limitless trading academy. It's not our LTA. LTA for us is different. This is our LTA is clean candles. He trades using volume profile, but price action, if you look at it really realistically. How's PipLab software going? Everything going strong? Yeah, we have a, platform is consistently growing, so we're happy with that. We're just trying to get more members on that, and it's very hard for me because I don't want to shove it in your guys' face, because it's kind of like I don't want to force things on you. So I don't talk about it every single day, because I don't think that's fair, shoving things on your face. If you actually want to take trading seriously, then you're going to be interested in that product. I mean, the success I've seen from traders who have backtested overall, right, has been immense, right? So it doesn't matter whether you're backtesting on any simulator. I'm not just promoting our simulator, but backtesting as a whole, I can tell you every single trader who has backtested has done well. We have 50-minute close above on GU. We have a close above this zone. Oops, wrong pair. This zone, but not the zone I'm looking at, right? For this zone, I would like to see it pull back, then close above, because we're at 4-hour resistance. So we don't want to play games at 4-hour resistance. In terms of continuation of sells, I'll be looking for above 1.26437. We're not in volume time also. I mean, yeah, I need to go see what time GU has been moving. I don't really always trade GU. Yesterday move came at about 10:30, so yeah, about this time, this candle here. 10:30, yesterday's move, some volume came here on the sell side about 10 o'clock, and then we saw some more volume continue. The day before, volume realistically came here around 11:30, so yeah, it just kind of seems to come when there's a setup. This one came at 10:45. So yeah, any time from now till, of course, London Open. We're not seeing after London Open volume come. It's normally coming before. So yeah, man, that's how it is. On top of that, for Pip Labs as well, we're just been super busy in the background, constantly upgrading it. So it might not be superficial upgrades. What I mean from superficial upgrades, it's like stuff that you can see. But in terms of optimization, making it faster, making things run smoother, and for us as a business optimization, because you have to understand, software is really not cheap. For us to 3 days, sorry, I read something in chat, but for us it's not cheap to run this, and for the price that we're offering it for, it's quite difficult. Like, you know, we really need to think about this long term and grow the platform long term for it to be something significant. So what we're doing in the background is we're trying to optimize our servers, because as we get more people using the platform, people are requesting more data from our servers, increasing our server cost, right? So we're trying to optimize ourselves, and this is more as a business perspective, saying, okay, can we allocate less throttling on our server? We'll actually have no throttling on the server, which is the case now, and have, you know, less RAM usage on the server, so that you know, we can so that we can, you know, be more efficient in terms of budgeting here, right? Who are the software developers behind Pip Labs? We're a two-man team, myself and Antonio. Antonio's the coder. I'm kind of the brand guy. Tell him what I want to see in the platform and he makes it happen. It's basically how it works. Can we do this? Can we do that? Give him a headache. Can we do this? Can we have that? Antonio's in ChatGPT to code, probably. But yeah, 3-day trial coming. Yeah, we'll look at the 3-day trial. For now, you guys can try the demo. The demo is pretty good, guys. We give you 1 month of data for free. I recommend everyone to at least test the demo because it's free. If you're too lazy to try the demo, it means that you're not ready to get better at trading, right? Because it's free. Like, what's the point of that, right? What's the point of you not putting in work when it's free, right? So here you go. This is the link. You guys can go try the free version and at least practice 1 month of data, guys. Come on, put in the work. I don't gain anything. I don't even ask for your email when you use the free one, right? I don't even ask for your email. So I don't actually gain anything. Antonio is working fixed range volume profile. Yeah, we're working on the fixed range volume profile. It's a bit trickier than we expected because, I'll tell you why. It's trickier than we expected because volume is calculated through the candle volume, right? Obviously, okay? And when we're operating with ticks, that volume changes based on ticks. So we're calculating it based on that. So it's just trying to get that accurate, right? GJ movement during these times? 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 16, 18. 10 a.m., 11 a.m., yeah. It looks like 11, which is London Open. Hi, does free version show PNL? Of course it shows PNL. I'll show you guys how to use the free version while we wait for setup. So you press try demo, you go ahead and press start simulation. It will load up like this. To skip candles, guys, you just skip using this. You can change how many candles you want to skip by. You can skip by 15-minute candles. On the right hand side here will tell you your session, what session you're trading. I know you can't really see that too well on YouTube because you guys, it's a little bit cut off. But here you can see your session, right? What session? You can even skip to a session. Like you can skip to London session, which would be, 10 o'clock my time. To place a position, you literally just press trade up here. You drag your stop loss and TP, right? So let's say we wanted to take a short here, right? You can drag your stop loss. It will automatically calculate risk. You can drag your TP. It will, everything will be calculated. You press confirm. It will place the trade down here, right? Your trade will be placed down here. Obviously you play the trade, that's a play button there. You can make it faster, so you can see the ticks, change that by 5 seconds so we can see things fast. You can see now we're holding $3 drawdown, $6 drawdown, $7 drawdown, $11 drawdown, right? So it will just act like real market, right? That's it. That's how it works. If you want to make this even faster, skip this by 15 seconds. Now things will get even faster here. If you want to make it even super fast, you can go higher and higher, skip it by 1 minute, skip it by whatever, right? Whatever you want, right? It's completely up to you, right? Even if you don't want to watch ticks, you can skip by candles, 5-minute candles here, right? And then when you want to close the trade, you can manage the trade with this little arrow down here. This arrow, you can manage the trade. You can close half, you can close 75%, you can move your stop loss to break even. It will ask you confirm, move to break even, and close the trade. Boom. When you go to your history, you will see your trade, $33 profit there. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the free demo. From your years of experience, has gold ever moved like this before? It's strange to take a lot of liquidity, move back and forth. Yeah, man, it's pretty common on gold. It goes through these periods when it does this. It's pretty common. The demo is just for GJ? Yes. Pip Labs is legit? Thank you, thank you. Can I just suggest something here or to Pip Labs, or better to write you in private? The best way to suggest something is to actually do it in the Pip Labs Discord, believe it or not. So we have a Pip Labs Discord. General suggestion, Pip Labs ideas, you can put it in here, any ideas you have. Or if you want to open a ticket, you can open a ticket here and you can, suggest us, suggest us here. We have people putting suggestions that we've done. So I can send you the link of that Discord, and that would be the best way, right? So here is the invite link for Pip Labs Discord to suggest. Or if you have any questions or you have any things that you need help with on Pip Labs, you can open a ticket. Yeah, gold needs to get out this range. GJ, I think, is still dog water, of course. GU is trying to continue this bounce. Tradesharpe, hi bro, free setup, price action, setup, PDF not working. It's working, bro. You're just being really strange person by spamming me messages. I notice my discipline is lower in NY due to the morning. Is that possible? Check what happened in the morning. Did you take a trade in the morning or did you not take a trade? Your discipline will be lower if you did not take a trade in the morning, because now you're sitting at the charts waiting to do something. If you did take a trade in the morning, you should feel fulfilled and you should have high discipline, as your job is basically done for the day and you're looking for extra options. So that's something you need to start noting. I don't remember if I did. Typical. There's your problem. Hi, do you think more people would be successful if they adopt set and forget strategy? If so, how come and why not? Depends on your personal standpoint here, right? There's different ways to trade the market. Holding trades during the market can be a massive problem, because what can happen is that when you're holding a trade and some random news events, you can be stopped out. Secondly, if you're only getting one trade per month or one trade every 3 weeks, you know, by just taking a trade, leaving it and holding it for a long time, it might be hard to find multiple options. You have to be okay with that. Some people like me prefer an active style where I take a trade during the morning and I don't have to worry about my trade. They're both the same result, to be honest. At the end of the day, you're both going to make money, the same amount of money. It just depends on lot sizes, which control how much money you make. The strategy does not control always how much money you make. My dumb decisions happen during NY. I think not trading NY for a while until I get that right. Yeah, most of that will also happen because in London you guys are sitting with me on Zoom, so you're not gonna sit there by yourself and make a stupid decision, you know. Brother, I'm gonna ban you from this chat. You keep spamming me about the stupid PDF here. It works, it just doesn't work for you because you're being a bot. Stop being a bot and actually do some work. This will be embarrassing if I click it and it doesn't work, huh? Ready, guys? If this doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Okay, it works. Look, it's downloading straight to my PC here. Look, it works. So, there you go. There you go, there you go. Hey Harry, where do you change the date and time on Pip Labs? Just checking out the demo. Here on the bottom right, sorry. Time zone. And to change the date and time, you can just skip. You can just skip by this. I recommend everyone watch my Pip Labs video. This one, Pip Labs Forex Simulator. It's the whole reason I made it. It shows you how to use Pip Labs, right? Post it in there. Post it for everyone in here. There you go. That's the video that shows you how to use it, right? GJ fake out? Yeah, mixed bias though, mixed bias. Mixed bias. We're just ranging on GJ. Choppy price action. Very choppy price action. GU has a chance to close above here. We do have this extra 4-hour resistance here, which might be issues. Still counts as previous. Ranges are tiny on GU, huh? If we have choppy price action, do we completely avoid it or sometimes still alright to enter? What do you think is the answer? If it's choppy price action, there's no ranges to trade. How are you going to trade if there's no setups? If you're happy with having a higher percentage chance to lose, then yes, take choppy price action setups. Because then you're just risking it more. That's it. That's the only thing. And if that's okay with you to give yourself a shot because you wanted, you know, because you just want to give yourself a shot for the day, that's fine. But that's all depending on how your month is going. Is it worth it for you? That should be the question. Because if you have a higher percentage chance of losing, it still has a higher, like in terms of probabilities, the setup will always have more probabilities to win than to lose, but it's not going to be as good as when we have non-choppy markets. You don't want to trade in chop. Trading in chop is not fun. Dixie bearish too. What's Dixie doing? Yeah, Dixie is coming close to this support. Damn. This is pushed a bit too hard here now. What time frame is this close here? This is 30-minute close as well. 30 minutes closing quite nice as well, actually. Based on 30 minutes, it looks quite interesting. Just have to be careful of these resistances here. Needs to chill, man. If this pushes at this resistance, makes it extremely tough. It's a very big 5-minute candle. I don't like buying big 5-minute candles on GU. They rarely work. Anyways, our zone is above here anyways. So if we can, both ways, we can also still get in above there. But I was actually looking to try get into there if we were to get a nice close above. But you see, Claudio, how this 4-hour resistance was just shat on? Like, let's say that closed a little bit deeper, you took a sell, but this still happens, it sucks, you know? There's no way you're getting out of that or have a chance. Can you please check gold? Yeah, gold is at the top of the range now. That's it. It's still in the range, guys. I don't know why you guys... What setup is there, guys? Please tell me. Everyone is spamming me with gold. What setup is there? I don't see any setup. I don't know what you guys are looking at. For me, there's nothing. Maybe for you, there's a setup. If there is, good luck with your trades. Hopefully it does play out. But for me, we're at resistance. Right? I don't really want to try break through this resistance at the moment. I want to trade back above here. 2304 is where I want to try trade back above. Be nice if we could reject here, then close above. You planning UJ too? No way, no way. I mean, I wonder if you could buy above this resistance here to get to previous daily support and fill the wick. That's another option here. Another option would be above this to get to this wick. That's only another option here on gold. So we could try that. We could try that as well. It's good that some volume is coming in here. If we can leave the range today, then it's going to be good. We're finally seeing some volume in here, but we need to see. We need to see 1 hour candle close above here will be great. That will give you good confirmation here as well. The 1 hour candle closing above. 15-minute candle as well needs to close above. Right? If not, then we can look for more buys above 2304. Otherwise, there's a potential also to buy above this resistance here. But the idea would be with volume to fill this wick. Now, if that happens before a close above, then that doesn't follow my plan, right? But I'm not too worried because I know there's more buys above 2304. GJ, bull swing, what do you think? I don't think just yet. We're not at some major zone that it makes sense to be a bullish swing on GU. Man, GJ is really dead. Need some sort of structure? Yeah. Let's see 5. If 5 has made anything on the way up or straight push. Yeah, 5 straight push, so for sure. But see, that is even 5-minute resistance here, 23.04 basically. 23.04 seems to be a safer place to buy above. So if we can reject here, then close above 23.04, we probably have higher probabilities to continue up. Any chance to catch the lobster? I'm hoping, but it looks like a tough day in the market. Especially, I don't think GJ is going to be tradable today. Nor am I going to trade. At the moment, I'm looking at gold and GU. Gold seems to have some volume coming right now, which is nice. We just need to see what happens with that. Does it give us... does that give us a trade? How many trades you take a month? This month I took 18 trades. 18 trades this month. 18 trades and 1 loss. But not all wins. Some break even as well, right? Remember guys, next month we'll do a giveaway again. Next month is going to be the giveaway. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can be part of the giveaway. And yeah. For those who are asking about the exclusive group, we are closed. We are closed. That waitlist is closed. I just need to refresh the website. There we go. Spots opening soon. So just be patient for that. Be patient. Let's have a look at this plan. Daily close below daily support, perfectly tapped daily weekly. Buys above here after closure would be good and better SL placement 32 pip range. Yeah. Not clean range for sells, agreed. Yeah, that's where we wanted above, right? That PDS. Hopefully we create structure now, which it looks like we're trying to do, to come up. What video will come next month? Surprise. Next month is Sunday, right? When the videos come out. Actually, no, yeah. I don't know to post my videos Sunday or Monday. I don't know which one works better. What do you guys prefer? Videos on Sunday or videos on Monday? Let me know on YouTube chat. Let's see everyone. Everyone, where's everyone? You guys are sleeping, guys. What the hell? 3 people answer? Okay, now we're working. Sunday. Some guy asked me, can we buy now? I'm asking a different question, man. You asked me, can we buy now? Come on. Has to be Sunday? Okay, it looks like we have a winner. Nice drop on gold. Yeah, that's why don't FOMO into buys. Wednesday, some fun in the middle of the week. That's not bad. That's a lot going on Wednesday. Double stream, video dropping. Then you're sick of the market. Need to take Thursday off. Serbeo Sol. Give goits. I'm waiting, man. Markets this week have been really bad. Damn, no one is listening. I know. Beirut to sell. Yeah, I think everyone sees the markets are being slow. I mean, it's been, this end of month been really choppy. I can't imagine how much people have lost money. It's probably why a lot of people are not here, is because they've actually messed themselves up. You'd be surprised. Not a lot of people will talk to about it, but a lot of people would have given back a shit ton of money at the end of the month by not, you know, sitting on their hands. A lot of people. A lot of people. I can't imagine. Seal. Give me a sec. Go toilet and come back. Why don't you trade NY session? I don't trade NY session on YouTube. We trade it in the exclusive group. The whole point of having a group is to have a community that you can trade together with. So most of the time we're in the group, we're talking about NY session in our NY chat. Yesterday we do have the NY live stream as well. But yeah, this is where we talk about, right? Yesterday we were looking at GJ here, right? And I was saying, well, looks interesting. I need the bottom wick. We didn't get the bottom wick, and that was the end of it. Harry, what's your PR on deadlift? I bodybuild, so I don't look at PRs. I normally lift for reps. I haven't tested my PR. It should be pretty good though. Really enjoyed the NY Zoom yesterday. Yeah, it was good. It was good yesterday. My girlfriend left me because she asked for a new Louis Vuitton bag and I guided her price action. Well, that's the problem. She asked for LV. Ugh. Need more etiquette. Just send her a signal, right? Send her a signal. Tell her open account, send her a signal. If it wins, she can go buy her bag, right? Full margin the account. If it loses, well, you're gonna be dumped anyways, right? If you have a Louis Vuitton or Herminos. Hermos. Right? I think you can easily lift up to 200 deadlift. Yeah, 200 deadlift is for reps, man. That's for reps. 1 rep max, I don't know. Yeah, both ways she's gonna dump you, right? But if the signal plays out, then that's it. If he was in exclusive group, he'll know which girl friend should have been good for him in NY session. Yeah, we did have that talk. I'm backtesting right now, but did Harry mention muscle hypertrophy? Yes. How's NY Zoom yesterday? Did you guys get lobster? I got no power. Better you didn't join Zoom conversation yesterday. Would have been awkward for you. Better. Yesterday we're looking for gold sales. She could have given her point of view. Yes, would have been good, but maybe awkward in the meantime. Oh, DJ trying to push up. This is what I mean. You need stop loss below the range to account for pullbacks like this. You don't know how deep that pullback could have came. Maybe we break out. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Boys convo? No, it wasn't boys convo. GJ, no. I'm just waiting till we get out this range on GG. How's GU doing? Wow. Look at that. Tap my zone perfectly, huh? The only thing I'll be sad is that the only time I don't take the risky option, this thing flies to the top of the range smooth. Just a small pullback. Not like the pullback we had to hell the last time we took a similar trade. That would be sad. That would be very sad. But there's so many levels here that I can reject, so not too worried. Again, remember guys, risk to reward wise, it looks like it's a good move, but minimum you're putting stop loss is below the range. No chance here. This is too risky. So 25 pip stop loss for 25 pip target max. So yeah, you get your 1-to-1 if you hit the top of the range. Problem is, I want to go break even everywhere. I want to go break even here. I want to go break even at this resistance, this next one, because you don't know. Is that Tradingview? Yes, this is Tradingview. I think gold will continue in a downtrend. Good. Harry, do you have girls on the exclusive group? Yes, we do. Bro, what is it like to drive a supercar? Yeah, there are different experiences. Different cars have different traits. But yeah, it's fun. Any recommendation for prop firm challenges? Are you profitable is the first question. Right? Don't go and take a prop firm challenge for the sake of taking a prop firm challenge. Stop giving them your money. You guys are scared to pay $1 to actually learn to trade, but you're happy to pay $500 because you think you're going to make money. Do you use MetaTrader 5 to trade? Yes, I do. I have my MetaTrader 5. I use that to trade. Sell setup on GU would be nice to continue downtrend. It's not crazy, yes. And we do have the change of structure here. We just didn't close from back inside the range here. How's 30-minute looking? 30-minute at support at the moment. 1 hour closing bearish could be interesting. Now you've grabbed the liquidity. 5-minute also broke structure here. I quite like to see this 30-minute close bearish and the 1 hour give us a setup too. I mean, the immediate option would be this 15-minute here. This is breaking structure here. The only thing that concerns me in this not being is this little support here that we could just make another higher low. That's the only thing that I find concerning, but otherwise makes sense. Remove that support there, then yeah, this is an easy setup. 1 hour will give us a lot of clarity though. But I mean, as a early entry, it would be these lows here, breaking those lows. Hey, I want to be like you. Please teach me, please. Yeah, what do you think we're doing here on stream? If you listen up, you're gonna get some good tips. You want to take your learning and, you know, a step further, then you can just upgrade yourself. All right, it's pretty straightforward. The real question should be, are there any baddies in the group? No trades this week unless something magical happens in the chart. Yeah, we tried. We tried on when was it? Tuesday or Monday. Tried to give it a shot in the range and it didn't respect us. So we don't do anything stupid. I wonder how my GJ trade would have been done. Let's see. I think honestly, guys, I would have been break even at this resistance here because I wouldn't trust it. So probably break even for me on this. That's what I mean. You can't even manage your trade. There's no space. We just can reject anything. So I probably would have said, okay, screw that. There was no bottom wick, was there not? Yeah, I mean, I wasn't even looking at it anyways. There was bottom wick. Now if it breaks the high, I'm in. Alright, so Claudio taking a trade, break of the high. Good luck to you. Just linking up. Have you taken any trade? No, not yet. Where would you put SL though? No SL? Full margin? Good luck, good luck. I mean, closing back inside this range would be okay, but you know, 8, 9, 10 pip range here, not the best. I'll send you the link for a new 200k challenge. Wonder if we can survive 8 minutes here on GU. Before November, we'll have 100k subscribers. I wonder. I don't think until we get 1,000 viewers on stream, we're not gonna grow. That's our goal. Our next goal, guys, as a channel should be to get 1,000 viewers on stream. 1,000 people with us every day enjoying the stream. That would be cool. That's just a number I wanted to hit. Evening, everyone. Am I late to any analysis? Yeah, we've been live for almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours. Or an hour and a half. You can always rewind the live stream for the analysis in the beginning of it. Taking a trade is easy, but when management of trade is hard as well, when you hold B, partials, SLTP, all that stuff, yeah, it's important stuff though. It's important stuff. The scram likes go crazy right now. Yeah, I mean, if you want in-depth analysis, watch it. But basically on GJ, it's a really tough range. On gold, potentially above this line we're looking for, this 15 here. GJ looks good on the 30-minute. Yeah, it's just a personal plan for me. I'm not trading inside of this range. I don't like this range. You guys can try it. I tried it in the beginning of the week and it's not good range. I'm just seeing too much inconsistency, but that's a personal choice. I'm happy with my results at the end of this month, and that's it. Chicken, then take it right now if you're the real chicken. Let's see your account. How is it? Bro, I got hate for 3 days straight because of taking one trade after 12 wins. And now the only time I say something good that is actually logical, like this is a messy range, I'm getting called a chicken. One loss minus 200, yes. Still till today. Gold looks like some interesting volume coming in. Yeah, potentially. We have the 1 hour close here. 1 hour close is going to be crucial. Can we close above the resistance or below? If we close below, then there's no options. We close above, it gets interesting. What would target be though? Top of the wick and then just basically all the way up to previous daily support. We don't have anything till realistically previous daily support. Past previous daily support is very clean. Right? I'm surprised that this didn't retest this. If this is going to be important, this candle should have retested this. Harry, the 5 minute has no bottom wick. Yeah, but you wouldn't be taking anything till later, right? There's nothing yet. You need the 1 hour to close first. Right? 1 hour closes back in the range, there's nothing anyways. Closing above. Yeah, I'm very tempted to take GJ here. This would be a nice setup, but I'm not gonna do it. I said that I'm not gonna trade this range and I'm gonna follow my plan. Even if this plays out, I don't care. I don't care here end of month. This range is nasty. But yeah, breaking this high would be nice. If we had good volume on GJ, breaking this high should be able to get us to the top of the range. And then stop loss, we can have here only 14 pips stop loss. 14 pip stop loss would be nice. But yeah, that would be the position. I'll be happy to see it play out. It would be nice to see volume come back in. And if it doesn't play out, then I'm not surprised, because that's the whole reason that I didn't want to trade this range. If 1 hour can close back above this, it will be good. How's gold doing? Gold is still trying here. $51 seconds for that. GU looks good. Yeah, GU is even getting above the range here. Yeah, let's see if GU can close above. That'll be interesting 1 hour close. I would like to see it close above though. There's a little pop. Let's see if GU can close above here, guys. Need to see a bottom wick on the next candle. Alright, it has closed above. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick. Oh, great bottom wick here. Damn. Gonna try GU here, break of high. Break of high, stop loss below. Oops, wrong color. Break of high. Let's try this out. Stop loss below this low. Try target up somewhere in the top of the range. We'll see what happens. I like the bottom wick. It's what I wanted to see for continuation. Decent bottom wick. Did gold close above? Gold closed below here. GJ is continuing as well. But I didn't want to trade the range on GJ. When do you usually reset your chart? I'm normally dragging lines around, right? So I remove the irrelevant lines and then just drag the lines around. Thought you only trade GJ and gold? I do, but when those two pairs are not doing too much, it's hard. Half risk? I don't think I'm not going full risk because it's the end of the month. It's just how I like to do my end of the month. Oops. But yeah, I will see how to manage this. 9 pip stop loss is pretty manageable. A 9 pip stop loss. No SL needed. Where is TP? Realistically, it should be this wick fill here is the conservative TP, and then this structure next. For me, realistically, I'd be happy with 1-to-1 or any monetary figure that I'm happy with. How's those GJ in the range here? Yeah, it's still pulling back. So I don't know about GJ in this range. Well, if GU plays out, then GJ would probably play out as well. What situation will you delete the buy stop? I'll delete it if this 50-minute candle closes back inside of the range. It didn't close above the hourly support. It did. It did close above the hourly support. Where? Where didn't it close above it? Yeah, we're above the hourly. I'm gonna be aggressive with the risk though. If I start seeing this shit reverse, I'm probably gonna get out, even if it's minus 2-3 pips, because I'm not risking giving back end of month. It's been a good month and I need to preserve profits here as much as possible. So I might be wrong for that, but at least I'm guaranteed to preserve profits. But again, we need to see, we need to get triggered first before we even think about managing the position. Harry, what's the difference between buy stop and buy limit? Buy limit is going to be something that where is lower than where current price is. Buy stop is going to be above where current price is. In what situation would you delete the buy stops? Like I said, if the 15-minute closes back inside the range. It's spending a long time making its bottom wick here, so I don't see a reason for it to need to flip just to go down. Yeah, gold didn't close above, and the 1 hour didn't close above on gold here as well. That's problemsome. DJ is also rejecting here, which is why I didn't want to get. I'm pretty sure I would have just closed if I took this early option at break even. Wouldn't like it in this range. Geo is still waiting here. If this just rejects, then we kept safe. We kept safe from getting stuck in rejection. If this candle breaks the lows, then I'll also delete the buy stop, as now it's a different position. I'll probably need a 5-minute closing above at that point. Isn't there a nipple break? I mean, it did close above here, right? What's more important is look at the hour time frame, right? That's something you have to notice. What's the 1 hour time frame doing? We closed above nicely, full clean candles 1 hour. Same story on 30-minute. G50-minute looks like barcodes. If it continues doing what it's doing, yes. It will create a barcode. The idea was it to make this bottom wick flip and go, because when price opens like that on a 1 hour, it dumps super fast, right? When it dumps super fast, you expect that to be a liquidity grab. GJ lately so weird. Yeah, after that trade we were stuck in the same range, man. So since we've been stuck in the same range, there's nothing you can do. Just leave the range. Don't touch it. Don't try to do anything stupid in there. You're just gonna lose money. On can you please show once more on GU which resistance closed above on 1 hour? Long time ago we closed above 1 hour resistance on GU. Look, this one all the way back here 2 hours ago. So that's what I mean, like we're well above resistance. There's no resistance here to the left till we reach this spot here based on 1 hour. Same story with 30-minute. Next resistance is up there. But again, if this closes back in the range, it's a different trade. We have to wait again. Last 2 weeks I'm taking L's in GJ. Yeah, because of the ranges. You have to be careful. I've only taken 1 loss on GJ, but I know about GJ, so as soon as I see inconsistency, I just don't touch it. Right? I focus on gold or something else. Harry, can you check D30? I've entered a trade at 18,191. Setup 3, I see it. I see it. Break of this, re-break of the 30-minute high. I like the 5 close above. That would be the confirmation, the 5 closing above. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, typical GJ here. This is why I didn't want to touch this stupid range. Okay, thank you. Nearly hitting your 1-to-1 on manage SL. Yeah, it sounds good. Good luck, man, with your exam. Relax. Bro, and he takes 1-to-1 trade and exits before it hits TP. You still need to learn a lot, noob. Look at this. This is comment of the day. New hater. Comment of the day. I'm probably the only guy who doesn't close less than 1-to-1 most of the time. So, yeah, I close 1-to-1. Literally, I took a trade on GJ. I was up 14 pips with the guys. But my stop loss was 19 pips. So, I just went break even on that trade. Because I didn't close because my stop loss was 19 pips. Sid is unprofitable? Probably, man, probably. Tell Sid to go back to his own stream. Oh, wait, he doesn't have one, man. He doesn't have a own trading account. Don't talk, Harry. You know it'll get me started. Then we can have some fun, right? It's the comment of the day. Tutor award of the day? Yeah. The problem is he keeps coming back. This is not the first time he said that. He's hated here for probably a good 6 months. 6 months he's hated. By the way, guys, I'm deleting this buy stop here. I need something closing above on 5 minute. Something closing above on 5 minute to give me confirmation of continuation. Imagine the exclusive groups tried to get the comment of the day. They probably, yeah, probably banned them then, right? Market's so weird this week, yeah. They're acting up a bit on end of quarter. End of quarter, they're being a bit tricky here. At least he's consistent. That's comment of the day. That is comment of the day. Sid account got washed. He was the guy who I think kept making new accounts. I think that was him. Easy live stream revenue. Damn, we're getting back above here super fast, huh? 1 minute candles this. Don't know if I like this or not. This is really weird. Still gonna wait for a 5 minute close above. 2 minutes for 5 minute close above. We'll see if I get punished for waiting for 5, but I don't know, since 15 closed back in the range, I don't want this to be the liquidity grab for the 15 to continue bearish. I'll just have to wait and see. Not sure where this random candle is coming from though. Damn, 1 minute, no pullbacks here. Price action went against our setups these days. Yeah, really weird. It was really just really weird. GJ went up. Yeah, GJ pushed up here. How did this open? 15-minute open here, no bottom wick. Nice push. It's not at TP yet though. Your stop loss here would be 20 plus pips, so you need it realistically. It's almost there though. Wonder where this volume coming from. Just some big guy is like, hello motherfuckers, I'm buying right now. 5-minute closing here on GU though. Could be interesting. Next 5-minute candle, bottom wick breaking the high. What's stop loss looking like? About 10 pips here. See if we can get that bottom wick and break the high. I wonder if this is too deep. Oh shit, man. I missed that. I didn't press the button, guys. I missed that. I missed that myself. Literally was scrolling the chart. Anyone managed to get it? I was literally going to grab the blue line and it pushed. I was going to grab the blue line. Well, this would have been my break-even point here. I wanted more bottom wick. I thought it would make it once it flipped. So I'm like, I'll go grab the blue line to put the blue line for entry. And it pushed. It pushed. But this would be around my break-even point here, right here. Yeah, I would have been out anyways. I would have just closed it. Said, fuck that. Don't like it. Yeah, this price action is wacky, man. I don't understand. This is just weird. Pops up weird, but I wasn't managed to get into that, guys, myself. I'm not re-getting into it now because it's tapped a zone that I was concerned about, which is this zone. I was concerned about this. At least you didn't FOMO? No, I didn't. If it retaps what? Oh, the high? Possibly. Why would it want to do that, just to go lower? Yeah, I'm just trying to look at range. Like 10 pips is quite a big push it has to do to get 10 pips out of that. Yeah, this is lucky that this volume came in here. Whoever in the GJ buy is a bit lucky that that volume came in there. But that's nice that you guys got a little bit of volume there, but we can't predict that. We haven't seen that for days. Look at the pick. Yeah, I don't know. There's a bit FOMO entry here, man. Literally above, you said that you didn't want to be trading GJ and then you FOMO enter this. Be careful about that. Keep control of your emotions. I was in earlier. I saw the picture, man. I pulled it up. That was FOMO entry. You literally said you didn't want to trade GJ and then you go take a trade here. So make up your mind. Be careful. If that random push didn't come, I said nothing. All right. Let me show you. Man, think I'm not checking chat. Oh, it's not you. It's not you. It's someone else. Goids on GJ, you said. Fair enough. My bad. I take it back. You said goids on GJ. GJ smacked my funded account minus 4.2% in 3 weeks. Hopefully I can recover. Yeah, you need to be careful, man. Notice what I'm doing. Give me a sec, I'll go to toilet, come back. Wonder if gold can close above. How's GU doing right now? GU is rejecting at the moment. GU needs to close back above here in 2 minutes 50 seconds. If it can close back above, you have a setup 1. Clean candles to the left could be an option. Gold as well needs to close above. Same type of setup. I respect you so much. Not being reckless cowboy on the charts. True trading here. But only traders who are properly minded will understand. Haters just lack experience. Yes, sir. I agree. I appreciate that you noticed that. I like you so much. You don't make it boring. Thank you. Thank you. Do you have testimony of traders who were in loss and became profitable after joining your group? Yes, we do. We do have those. We do. I can show you them. There are a few on the website as well. You just click reviews. Let me show you. Go here, and there's some reviews, testimonials here. You can read some of these, and then in the group, there's actual stuff. I share that sometimes on my Instagram. Maybe I share that if people want to see. And yeah. GU breaks current 15-minute high, 5-minute high I'm in. I prefer to see the 15 close above here in 1 minute. You want to see 15 close above. You have 15 minutes set up 1 then Thunder? Yeah, that's what I mean. I want to see it close above so you can get that type of thing, you know? Closes below, it makes it tough. How about gold? Are we going to get a close above on gold here? Ugh, not looking likely, guys. 35 seconds for gold. I want to see it close above here on gold. Alright, gold is now closing above GU. GU again is trying to nipple close above. I really would like a stronger close. Yeah, GU also rejecting closing below here. It's tough. Do you think we can trade the range for gold? Seems pretty big. We need clean candles in the range. Last second, yeah. Last second it did it, yeah. I think you could go with a 5-minute close above structure here. But you want bottom wick on this 30-minute candle here. Gold is not doing anything. GJ is still trying to reach the top of the range here. Why we're not looking at sell on gold? Trying to catch a bounce play here. Sells make sense, but I would like to see price probably pop up here, then create resistance for sells. That would be nice for sells. What about gold buys 5-minute closure? No, I don't. Because we don't have the hour closing above. If we had the hour closing above, yes. But we don't. So we need the 15. I think no trades for today. Let's see. It's tough last week of the markets here. Definitely tough. But you're the one who makes it tough, right? You're the one who makes it tough because it's tough for your standards who are here all waiting for a trade, waiting to get in a position, looking for a trade. That's what makes it tough. But in reality, it's not tough because there's no setup. So there's nothing to do. Get on with your day. Honestly, I'm here to stream today, you know, to give guys and teach people how to manage ranging markets like this. Because if I woke up and saw that price is in a range, I'm leaving alert at the top of the range and I'm getting on with my day. Because that's where the trade is going to come if this breaks out. So I could literally have, you know, done something for an hour and a half. And only now my alert would have been triggered when gold tried to break this range now. And now I only have to wait 11 minutes to see if it wants to close above or not. Yeah, man. Who knows? It could just break through, grab liquidity and reject and come down. Higher time frame, a little bit more bearish, but you would just rely on that being a bounce, right? Daily time frame reach target already. 4-hour time frame, you know, reaching into these support zone, weekly support tap. So you'd expect some sort of bounce from here. How heavy the move is depending on session volume. You know, just you have to take it level by level, right? What happened on GU? Yeah, there's no entry on GU, right? We said it didn't close above resistance. No entry. This is why we didn't take GU, because there's no entry here. Where's the entry? Selling gold in the I entered on the 5-minute close. Why are you breaking rules, bro? That's full FOMOing, Bogdan. I'm literally here looking at GU saying I'm not taking a trade, but you feel like you want it. There's a reason why I'm not, right? When you missed, yeah, but that's too fast. No one can get into that. No one can get into that. And the minute that 5-minute rejected and closed, that's it, done. That's too fast, man. This one. And this is, remember I said this was my break-even spot? So it doesn't matter. Otherwise, I would have re-entered that entry. So that's your break-even spot. You would have gone break-even. Then we were looking at highs back above. We were looking at buys back above those highs there. So that is your break-even spot because you based it on 5-minute, right? So since you based it on 5-minute, your next target is going to be the next 5-minute resistance. Where's the next 5-minute resistance? Here. So you have to go break-even there. You miss entry, I miss B, but even here, even if you miss the B, you close minus 1 pip because you missed your B, but you still have time to close. UJ looks like it's moving. Yeah, you guys are looking at UJ. Hey, what is going on at UJ? Yeah, we're not at highs at least. We're not at highs. Needs to get back inside the range. Shaking losers a bit. Let's go see what type of music we can find, if we can change up music for streams. See what type of stuff we got. Bro, every day you ask me the same question. Am I gonna end stream or keep it going? Why do you ask me? Why do you ask me? Every day you ask me the same question and you paste it again. You're quite stubborn, bro. You need to get out of that mindset. So pretty annoying, I'm not gonna lie. I don't get it. What does it matter? I'm done. $56 profit from GU. do you do? Short the resistance? I would guess. I end stream when I don't see a potential setup. I'm trying to see if gold wants a setup or if it just wants to do nothing. That's what I'm trying to see here. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to show me its hand. So I'll know in 4 minutes here how this 15 is looking. If this 15 doesn't have any resolution towards downside or upside, it's game over. I mean, there is a potential to short below here. This support. Should be 5 minutes as well. Otherwise, 1 minute is ranging. One coffee price at Dubai? Depends where you buy your coffee from, but it's around, you know, let's say $4, something like that. USD news in NY, not expecting gold to move then? Yeah, I mean, we can expect gold to move at the news. And it's just, this London sessions have been really... Guys, I found comment of the day. I found comment of the day. This is comment of the day. Just the way that it was written deserves comment of the day. From Selman. Thank you very much for the comment of the day. Are we ready? Oh. Comment of the day. How much you make in a month? I don't know what accent that is, but just the way it was typed was the best. Just the way it was typed was the best. True, true. Can you draw another car? Oh, that's asking too much. Goids save the queen. Oh. If this 15-minute doesn't do anything, I'm hopping off, guys. This is trash markets. I have no business to do with this market. Come on. Another car out will be $70 per pen stroke. That sounds like ideal, man. I'll make sure to make tiny little drawings so that, you know, I can milk it. Let me tell you a joke. What do you call a cow that can't walk? Lactose. Very funny, very funny. Let me tell you a riddle, guys. Rich people need it. Poor people have it. If you eat it, you will die. What is it? Give me an answer. Piss? Time? No. What? Rich people, poor people have time. Rich people need time? No. Money? What? Rich people need money. Poor people have money. If you eat money, you'll die? No. Banana? Health? What? Rich people need health. Poor people have health? I don't think so. Good job, everyone who searched Google. Fucking useless motherfuckers. Everyone searched Google. I need to come up with a riddle that is not on YouTube. Yeah, I know. I asked you, I asked you, you're not supposed to answer because you know the answer. Yes, the answer is nothing. Rich people need nothing. Poor people have nothing. If you eat nothing, you'll die. Thank you very much. Any signals? Yeah, press buy and sell, and whatever happens, that's the signal. I'm not going to ask you guys any riddles, anything like that, because you guys will just have the answer already. Because all you'll do is go to Google and search. Guys, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you guys can show up for next week's streams. Hopefully we get some volume. I want to show you guys the magic of the way we trade. If you guys are bored and want to see how we traded before, go and watch over our 100 trades here that we have live, recorded, everything, entry, TP, SL, no funny business. SL1. Do you making barcode? Yeah, everything's making barcode. Is July normally a slow market? No, not really. Let's go see last year. I remember last year was pretty good. Let's see. June, July, 7 here. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. What's the results? One loss last July. One loss. Yeah, not bad. Not a break even though, actually. One loss last year. What about 8th August? August was 2 losses only, so not bad at all. August was very good actually. I'm thinking, should I wait for this 15-minute candle close? Because if this candle close above could be interesting, but my brain is hurting. My brain is hurting. It's the 1 hour close? True that, man. That's not a word of a lie. That's not a word of a lie. So yes. Yeah, we'll wait 9 minutes here. We'll chill for 9 minutes. What happened? Only 300 people in stream. Not sure. More jokes? No, I don't think I can handle that anymore. What happened to your brain? I mean, talking straight for almost 3 hours intensively. It's gonna fry you a bit. How would you manage GU? I would have break even at that 5-minute resistance, so I would be out break even. Right? That's why I didn't re-enter GU, because it hit my break even zone. If it didn't hit my break even zone, then when it came back down, I could have re-entered at the same entry. I sense an FU candle coming on gold. Well, if it ends up coming towards the upside when we're in a buy, that will be nice. Don't buy, Harry, just sell? Well, yeah, there needs to be a confirmation till... there needs to be a confirmation for buys. Did you guys get into a GU trade? No, we didn't. We didn't. Yeah, it's going sideways. Everything's going sideways. How many trades do you take per day? Maybe about 105, 106 trades a day. Depends. Sometimes maybe 150. That was me in 2023, 100 a day. Really? I don't think I've done more than maybe 10, man. Couldn't do it. We laugh? Yeah. What else are you supposed to do? Cry? Laugh. Smile for once in your life. It's not gonna hurt you, is it? My strat was like this. Funny thing is working very well. Alright, let's see it. If ranging, do scalping, I guess. I don't think you can scalp in such a tight range. But ultra tiring, I can imagine. Please focus on goings. Harry, you're not a stand-up comedian. I'm not. I'm sitting down. I'm not a stand-up comedian. I'm not in front of an audience pretending to make comedy here. But we can stand up, which I would like to do. Nice. But I don't think this shows my face. Let me see. No, it doesn't show my face. Maybe if I stand here, then it does. See the camera, I need to stand super far back. Yeah, I need to change my camera stand to be able to stand on my desk. Put the shit back down. You need a lifted desk? I have one. I just need to change my camera angle. Long stream today? Well, I was hoping that this 1 hour candle would close above. Holy shit, bro. Are you mad? Holy shit. I can't see any candles. That's mad. Selling into this bullish candle, huh? That must have been big sweatiness. Heavy drawdown. This is ultimate, man. This is like what these guys do on TikTok, guys. You know, when they what they do on TikTok when they layer into trades, tick 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 tick, full margin, guys, full margin, news, full margin, like that's that's them. Hi, when do you think markets will get back to normal? Next month, man. It's end of quarter. July 5? Yeah, even by next week. We're cooking something, right? We're cooking something. The longer the range, the bigger the moves. I should have been a broker for Didier so I can rack up those commissions, huh? Yeah. I should have been his broker, bro. Oh. Even Claudio's saying, oh shit, this is surprising. That means it's really bad. If he's saying, oh shit, you know, he's seen it all, this guy. Wait, Didier, you want me to open your mic so people can hear you on live or no? Okay, just so they hear what you're talking about it. 1 minute, I have it here. Yeah, they should be able to hear you now. Damn. Damn. Yeah, that's nuts. Knackered, huh? Gold looks interesting here, boys. Have my eyes on that. Let's see if we can close with a top wick here and then make a bottom wick next candle. And then maybe breaking the high here should be an option. 1 hour close here. Would love to see a bottom wick since it's 1 hour close. We do have to close above, which we did. So I see the bottom wick here. Yeah, I'm going to give this a shot. Break of high. Break of high. Stop loss I put below previous candle here. Alright, got triggered on that. That broke it for me on my broker. Break even will be top of the wick. Top of the wick here, I'm looking at break even, guys. Beautiful. Did that tap the wick? It almost tapped the wick. I'll be mental break even here, which means I'll allow it to come to entry and then see what happens. See what happens at entry. Hopefully we can survive it. Come on, gold, don't come back to entry. Give us the push, we've been waiting. Give us the push, gold. I'm still in this. Basically watching this type of range here. 1 minute hopefully can close above. If this 1 minute flips, then that's gonna take me out break even, guys. Alright? But so far we're okay. So far we're okay. Ideally, we need to be able to get up to this resistance here. Let's go, Goldilocks, let's go. Previous daily support, I'll be looking at, I think, let me calculate my profit at previous daily support. If I make back what I lost on the previous trade, then I'm closing at that. Even if that's negative risk to reward, but end of month, I want to secure something, guys. I want to secure something. So hopefully we can get that push here. So let me see it go. Previous daily support is what we're asking for. Previous daily support for me, please. Give us previous daily support. You're out. Okay. We need the juice here. Remember, stops here, we're at break even. Hopefully we don't just grab liquidity here and then fail. We might grab liquidity from the high and fail. That's why we're being careful. That's why we're being careful here. We just need the juice to give us the next push. Original stop loss was below the 15. Here we go, boys. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. A little bit more. Yeah, we're all still in. Come on, gold. Don't fail us now. Previous daily support, give me. I need this. Nice. If we can tap this previous daily support, I need about 14 pips here and I'll be able to make back all of last time's loss. Right, new 5-minute candle. Hopefully this gives us the juice we've been looking for. I'm also thinking not to go out empty-handed today. If we break 1 minute structure, I can close the trade as well, not to be empty-handed today. Let's see if we can get there. Here we go, boys. This is what I'm talking about. Previous daily support going to be tapped. Squeezing, 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 squeezing. Don't reject now. Bro, 0.1 pip from my TP. 0.1 pip from my TP. No. Guys, look how close it was. Maybe I drew it wrong. We'll have to go check, but we need to concentrate on the trade. Ah, that was so close. Hopefully we can survive. Guys, if we break this 1 minute structure, I'm just going to secure so I'm not leaving empty-handed today. I don't want to leave empty-handed today. But I'm not going to be greedy. The minute it taps that, I'm going to secure because this is, I need this to end my month well here. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Flip and go. 5 minute, did 5 minute break the high here? Yeah, 5 minute did break the high. Let's see what we're looking at here. Yeah, we did tap it. We did tap that daily, so I can't really be greedy here. Okay, I'm gonna be careful with this, guys. We're still holding bullish structure. Holy shit. Let's go, boys. Big push. Holding, holding. If it comes back down, I'm done. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. This is a great push here. I'm still holding. Still holding. If it comes back below this yellow line, I'm done, boys. I'm done below the level lines. And yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out at that. I'm out at that. Came below the yellow line, boys. I'm out there. Got my 14 pips. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful little trade there. Nice. Beautiful trade there. Closed out at just as it came back below the yellow line. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that TP. Yeah, where are the haters? We need to find them. Let them come. Beautiful, beautiful. Happy with that, guys. Happy with that. Nice TP here. Nice TP. Happy with that myself. For the gram, you guys know it, man. 14 pips here. That was a FOMO position? I don't think that was a FOMO position. Are you mad? Are you mad, Claudio? That was not FOMO position. That was perfect. Oh. Claudio, the real culprit, huh? Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, that was nice. That was a clean position there. TP, I think, was pretty accurate. We got above the zone. Yeah, we got above the zone. We got about 16, 17 pips. Wanted to secure something, of course. And yeah, that's about it. Beautiful. Happy with that. Sweet. Nice little trade there. Congrats to everyone who took it. And yeah, let's see. W's in the chat. We waited a long time for that trade. A long time in that trade. I closed personally here. Around 14 pips. Just as we came back below the line. Yeah, clean. Fuck the haters. Yeah, they can continue hating. Now we back up. I made that 0.75%, like I said. That was my point. Risked a little bit too big on this. That's why I went break even pretty fast. I was in 1.5%. But happy with the close. This shit can still continue. Looks like it's still continuing here. I wonder if it can actually go tap that 15 here. But I close full here. Yeah, bro. $11.45. No, this was 12 o'clock candle actually. I'm super happy, man. I can end my month on a win. I love ending my month on a win. That was a monetary base close, guys. Not really technical, slightly technical base close, but mainly monetary base close. As I just wanted to make the previous loss back and be back to where I was, end my month clean. Why is it not hyperlinking, bro? Why is it? We need blues, only blues. Okay, there we go. Perfect, perfect. Nice little trade there. Patience paid off, guys. Patience paid off. How much was your stop loss? 22 pips. Let's double check. Yeah, 21 pips. Let's say it would spread 22. Fine to take partials? Yeah, in this type of scenario, nice little range you have there. Was good to take partials. Nice little trade. Yeah, happy with that. Yeah, this I should have actually probably left runners here. I'm just thinking back at it. That's what I'm looking, but I really wanted to secure my profits end of month. Any tips on how to enter your price on MT5 quicker for buy stops? Don't buy stop it, just market execution. That's what I did. But you guys had time. It came back in drawdown as well. So there was time. And we've been planning this position for a long time, guys. Long time we're waiting for this close above. Long time. Anyways, I'm going to call it a day here. Congrats to everyone who took the trade. Congrats to everyone who showed up to stream and who stayed here. How many people left after taking the trade? There was an initial drop. You guys can see this drop. That's the drop. Took the trade here. There was only 500 people in the stream with the trade, and then boom, dropped to 300 people. And then some other people joined up as they saw that the position was open. But yeah, from 571 to 308. Anyways, I'm heading off, guys. Take care, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hopefully catch you guys soon. I'm done for the month here. I'll still show up tomorrow, though. I'll still show up tomorrow. But I'm done for the month myself. Unless something crazy tomorrow happens and we see very nice trades, I will still take them. I'm not scared, but if tomorrow's going to range, then I'm not interested. But yeah, thank you all. Take care. Have an amazing day and peace.